Hi, I'm Karen and welcome to the Aromahead YouTube channel. If you're a fan of the warm, sweet, spicy scent of licorice, you're going to love today's diffuser blend. This blend can help people who feel a little shy and withdrawn. It opens you up to more self-assurance and clarity of thought so that you can express yourself clearly and have the courage to do so. The Licorice Lovers Blend is also great if you're feeling overworked and energetically drained because it's very reviving. The first essential oil I'm going to use is Sweet Basil. I'm going to put 4 drops right into my diffuser. Every diffuser works differently. This particular diffuser uses tap water, so I have added tap water already right to the maximum fill line. If you go over the maximum fill line, typically the diffuser won't work. So check your specific diffuser, make sure you go under that line and either use the tap water or distilled water, whatever your diffuser needs. So let's add in our 4 drops of sweet basil. I love using sweet basil oil for people who worry a lot or who are very busy, so that they're constantly multitasking and stretching themselves just a little bit too thin. Sweet basil helps to calm, to focus your mind without being too relaxing, and it's perfect for the middle of a workday. Next, I'm going to add 2 drops of anise essential oil. 1, 2, it's a fairly thin oil. Anise has one of the most strongly licorice-like aromas of any essential oil, and it doesn't take much to bring that scent to our blend. Just 2 drops is plenty. Another reason why I'm keeping my drop count low is because anise is one of the 2 oils in our blend that has safety concerns. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you have a bleeding disorder, skip the anise oil and add 2 more drops of the sweet basil. My third oil for this blend is Elemi, and I'm adding just 2 drops. It's beautiful. 2 drops. Elemi is the only essential oil in this diffuser blend that does not have an anise-like aroma. I'm including it because its lemony, peppery scent complements anise so beautifully. Elemi oil is distilled from a resin similar to frankincense and myrrh. Emotionally, it's both peaceful and powerful, and Elemi insists on peace and calm. It's very helpful for feeling emotionally secure during stressful times. Lastly, I'm adding 1 drop of Sweet Fennel essential oil. There we go. Get an extra one? That's just fine. Like anise essential oil, sweet fennel has some safety concerns. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you have a bleeding disorder, add 1 more drop of Elemi instead of sweet fennel. And there you have it, our Licorice Lovers Diffuser Blend. I hope you love this blend as much as I do. In addition to the emotional benefits that we've been talking about, the Licorice Lovers Blend can help settle your stomach. Try diffusing this after a dinner party to help everybody feel a little bit more comfortable. And at this point, you just put the lid back on, the cap. Goes on a very specific way. Put the top on, and then just turn it on. If you want to learn more about these essential oils, including the safety concerns associated with anise and sweet fennel, there's a link in the description that takes you to a blog post about this recipe, and you'll find a lot more information there. Thank you for watching. I have to say, that's amazing. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Jenny and Karen here. Thanks for watching.
We have a number of ways for you to engage with our content. Follow us on social, tune into our live events, check out our blog, and subscribe to our newsletter.
And don't forget to take our free Intro to Essential Oils course if you haven't already.